This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. This is your chance to get a beautiful fully decorated model home. This 4-bedroom plus DEN/3.5 bath/3 CAR Silver Mist model by Neal Communities is loaded with upgrades and offers a highly desirable open floor plan with a spacious 2,912 square feet of air-conditioned space. Enjoy tranquil lake views from large pool and lanai area that also boasts a full summer kitchen. This is one of a very few communities that has natural gas. The Gourmet Kitchen package in this home has large island with Silestone quartz counters, upgraded Expresso cabinets and GE profile stainless slate appliances with gas range. Fully upgraded baths in this home as well. Mastersuite on ground floor. The upstairs floor offers 3 BRs, 2 Bs and oversized family room with wet bar and a built-in desk home workstation. Staggered tile flooring in main living areas with upgraded carpet or wood in other rooms. Crown molding, plantation shutters, upgraded fixtures and fans along with other custom designer finishes throughout this home. Will be sold furnished with designer features. Furnishings list price equals $24.6K. Your new home is ready to move in. For more information, review the details below.